Welcome all, Papa G here. Today I present one of my favorite recipes, my easy chicken salad. Not only is this recipe incredibly delicious, but as its name reveals, it's super easy to make, and is perfect for those of you who do meal prepping or just like having a little something extra in the fridge that's already prepared. Let's get started. Begin by adding some mayonnaise to a large mixing bowl, some zero sugar ketchup, Worcestershire sauce, a touch of hot sauce, some Creole seasoning. Now my Creole seasoning has salt in it. If yours doesn't, you may need to add a little. Add some garlic powder, ground black pepper, about a quarter cup of finely diced celery, and 1 stalk of finely chopped green onion. Mix this together to combine. If you like your chicken salad a little on the sweet side, add a liquid sugar substitute equal to about 4 teaspoons of regular sugar, and give another mix to combine. Now we'll be using about 16 ounces of cooked and shredded chicken. I made this simple and just shredded a pre-cooked rotisserie chicken from my local grocer. Add the chicken to the sauce and mix thoroughly to combine. To store, just cover and keep in the refrigerator. This is really great by itself or as a wrap with a low-carb tortilla like these. Perfect for that easy low-carb lunch. There you have it, folks, my easy chicken salad recipe. Imagine getting this much flavor from a simple and easy recipe. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.